Good afternoon, it's Sarah from Hills. You find me here today with this fantastic 3-bedroom terrace property in the heart of Monton Village, located over on Crawford Street. This beautifully presented property with your bay-fronted lounge, second reception room which is open plan with the fitted kitchen area. It does come complete with integrated appliances and 3 fantastic sized bedrooms to the first floor, along with a lovely modern fitted bathroom suite. Nice garden out onto the rear. Come along and take a look around. So we've just come through the entrance hallway, that beautifully tiled floor, leading us directly into this fabulous social space, the open plan dining and kitchen area. You've got storage just tucked away beneath the stairs, just behind the door here. And the French doors allowing for natural light to flow throughout the property. Fabulous sized kitchen, plenty of work surface area and storage as you can see, and then you do have an integrated dishwasher and washing machine, and then under counter fridge and freezer. Lovely low maintenance rear garden, so you've got the decked seating area, decorative stone which is paved down to the shed. There's further gated rear access. And then these raised planter beds. Lovely and quiet. As we head back into the property, we'll have a look at this beautifully bay-fronted lounge, a stunning cast iron fireplace, tiled earth, and those plantation shutters just finishing off that bay window. Each room is lovely and spacious. You've got your stunning high ceilings throughout the property. Internal doors which you can have fully closed, as you can see, half and half or both open. And then as we head up to the first floor, so 3 generous sized bedrooms. The loft is boarded, allowing for further storage, and this is the smallest of the 3 rooms, which will easily accommodate a double bed. This beautiful modern bathroom suite, shower over the tub, and then a vanity unit just tucked away here behind the door. Second double bedroom, which overlooks the rear garden. As you can see, just set up as an office for now. And then heading into the master, which comes complete with fitted wardrobes on either side of the chimney breast. Floor to ceiling storage on both sides. Further furnishings around this king size bed. It's a brilliant spacious property. As I mentioned, we are located just off Monton Road within Monton Village. Excellent amenities surrounding yourself. Lovely bars, restaurants, eateries all on your doorstep. Beautiful scenic walks down the Worsley Loop line, the Swinton Greenway, up by Duke's Drive. You're also well within catchment for highly sought after schools. So Monton Green, again just a short walk from the property, and we are also surrounded by fantastic transport links. Now if you're interested in coming along and taking a viewing of this beautiful home, please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.